What's up, my natural tribe? Ty the Natural here. And do you have questions about your natural hair but don't know who to ask? Or maybe you're needing a more one-on-one approach to how you can transform your natural hair journey? Well, guess what? Your girl is now offering 30-minute consultation calls for your natural hair. Just click the link below so that you can get your consultation scheduled today. My hair is freaking amazing. It's amazing. Y'all, the coils. It's popping. What's up, family? It's your girl, Ty the Natural, and I'm back with another video. Thank you for being here. If you're new, welcome to the channel. On this channel, we talk about protective styling, hair tips, and just how to grow your hair healthy. So if you are into any of those topics, you should hit that subscribe button below and that bell icon so you will not miss any more videos. Okay. So we are digging into this braid out today, y'all. This braid out came out super bomb, and I only use Mielle's product again, and I freaking love this definition. Bomb. So if you want to see how I got this definition, then just keep watching because we getting into it right now. On today, I am bringing you another beautiful braid out, but this time I'm going to switch up the combinations a little bit. So we are still using the Mielle's Twisting Souffle. And this time I'm going to seal in my moisture with the one strand collection because it has coconut oil and shea butter in here. So this is going to seal me in perfectly. And then after I'm done applying the souffle, we're gonna go in with the African Pride's curl defining gel. And this is just going to help keep my curls in place after I take my braids down. So those are the 3 ingredients we're going to be using today. So let's jump right into this video, shall we? First and foremost, before you dive into your hair, you want to always make sure that you re-moisturize it. So you're going to spray some water on it. Water is your best friend. Just like our hair is a plant. And you know how plants love their water. So does our hair. Our hair loves water. In order to gain manageability, otherwise you will break off your hair. And that you don't want to do. Okay, family, so I have went through all of my hair and unraveled the curls. So we are going to start doing the LOC method. So liquid, this is our oil / butter, and the souffle is the cream, and then the gel is the bonus. The gel is to help keep my frizziness down. So we are going to section this off. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a nice little spray again just to make sure it is nice and moisturized before I add our sealant. And you always want to make sure you get your ends really good because that's the oldest part of your hair. So those are the ones that have gotten beaten up the most. So you want to just make sure you're taking extra good care of those, because you want those to last as long as possible without having to cut them off because they're damaged. Okay, so once you get your hair nice and moisturized, you want to go ahead and add your sealant, whatever you want to use. In my case, I'm using this Black owned hair strand food, which is like a butter / oil, because it has a butter and it has an oil in it. And it has essential oils as well. getting the bottoms of my hair really good. Now I'm just brushing through the section to make sure that the oil is evenly distributed through this section. The oil slash butter, just so I don't confuse you guys. After you get that nicely distributed in the section, you want to take your souffle and you want to just start adding that. This smells so good. Pretty soon my curls are gonna start settling in. There they go. Okay, I don't have to add much. I'm just gonna do a light brush through just to make sure that this is nicely worked through the section. Now we're gonna take our defining gel. Ugh, got on my lip. Ugh. But we did use this before as a wash and go. So now I want to use it as a braid out and see how it holds my curls. And this is the coconut water and the aloe, in case you're wanting to know. Okay, so I'm just giving this a light brush. And now it is go time. We are starting the braids. You just want to make sure that they're even as possible, because if they're not, you're going to run out of hair before all the sections are completely done. And you don't want that. But if it does happen, it's not a big deal. It's not the end of the world. Your braid out will still come out popping as long as everything else worked out. You want to just make sure that your braid is tight, not overly tight where it's going to cause breakage or anything, but you want it to be tight so that it's going to help form the curl.
I'm just going to coil the end so that I have a curl.
And bam, we're done with that one. And then I just like to get off all the extra product, because if you don't, it's gonna just cake up on your hair, and it's not gonna soak all the way in your hair, so you're gonna be left with white product hanging around until you wash your hair, and you don't want that. So I just soaked it mostly all up. So now I am just going to finish my whole head, and you want to make sure that your sections are detangled completely so that you do not get any snags or two-strand knots. And after I apply my spray of water and aloe vera juice, and then my butter / oil, and then my styler and my gel, then I just braid it up. And I noticed that my ends was snagging, so I went on and cut that off. And then I take these boxers, don't judge me, these are my boxers, and I'm basically using that because it's like the texture of a t-shirt, and a towel is just too rough if it's not a microfiber towel. So I'm using that to make sure I'm getting all the excess off my braids. Okay guys, so I have officially finished braiding all of my hair. It is completely finished. So I'm going to sit under the dryer for a little bit, and then I'm going to let my hair air dry, and then I will be back so we can take it down and see our results. Alright? What's up guys? So my hair is completely dry, and now we are going to take down the braids and see what our definition is looking like. So I'm taking some argan oil. So this is what my hair is looking like after I have taken down all the braids. Look at the definition, y'all. The definition is crazy. I am loving it. I'm not trying to frizz up my hair. But yeah, I'm just gonna use my hands to puff out the roots, but I'm not touching the definition. Y'all see that definition, y'all? The braid out came out bomb, bomb, bomb. The braid out does give me way more length than the twist outs, so I think I am going to go to braid outs more often. Like, I think the gel did us some justice, so I know now that I have to use gel. So for the next video, we are probably going to be making our own gel again. I did it a few months back, but it's back to doing that again because my hair really thrives with this gel. So stay tuned for the next video. Y'all be sure to let me know down below what you think. If you're not following me on IG, make sure you get over there and let's connect so you can see what I'm up to outside of YouTube. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Join the family. Let's continue to grow. I am having a giveaway at 600 members, so make sure that you subscribe. So if anyone is struggling with their natural hair and just need more assistance on their natural hair journey, then I created an ebook and I'll link it down below. So if you need more assistance, then grab that ebook while it's on pre-sale, and yeah, we can get you going. But that's all I have for you guys. I'm Ty the Natural. Thank you for watching. You guys stay blessed, stay safe, and I'm gonna catch you back here next week. Are you tired of not having a proper hair regimen? Or maybe you're tired of not properly having moisturized hair, or maybe dryness, or maybe hair breakage, or maybe not knowing your hair porosity. These are all factors that we should know how to correct and fix. So if you are struggling with any of these issues, I've created the perfect Textured Hair 101 ebook just for you guys so that you can be on your way to a transformed natural hair journey. So click the link below and get yours today. All right?